subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has officially launched its new affordable A-series phone in China called Oppo A2x, with quiet stylish rear panel design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A2x features a 6.56-inch HD+ display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 720 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A2x sports a single 13-megapixel camera on the rear, with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with ColorOS 13.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 8.12 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A2x has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,099 Chinese yuan, while 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Meguang Gold, Feishuang Purple, and Starry Night Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A2x smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll be right back.